Hi guys, as promised, I'm sending you a short night massage. And like I said, you can do this in the night, but you can also do this in the day. And the cream that I'm using is Hydronet. It's one of my favorite face moisturizers that I use at the end of every night, almost every night. And this has been recommended by my dermatologist. So I'm starting with my neck. I'm doing a few strokes. I'm doing a circular motion, and I am draining downwards. I'm also going to take the remaining moisturizer down to my neck. And if you still have some more moisturizer, do a few more strokes down. Now take your thumbs and go under and drain, under and drain, under. And you can also take your two knuckles, slide, 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 and drain. Now for the lower face, I've taken more moisturizer. I'm going to be making a sort of beard for myself and applying it. See, I keep reapplying it. 1 second, around face. Okay, so just a very gentle action to spread it. There's a lot of moisturizer still here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 2, 3, 4. Depress a muscle. Jawline. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. 1, 2, 3. Slide. Mm, mm, mm. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide and drain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide and drain. I'm reapplying some moisturizer for my cheek area. Because I want to gently rub it in, slide up, and now I want to do my hooks. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, here, this is the most important. Going outwards and lift. And lift. And since we're here, go back down to the depressor muscles. You can just put the cream on your thumbs instead of your face again. Side and drain. I have enough cream now, otherwise you're going to re-tap it around your eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little more. Okay, gentle circular motions. And for the eyes, you're just going to slide up. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can be done with night cream also. I mean your eye cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, spreading the remaining cream on my forehead doing my eyebrows. If you feel you're not getting enough glide, you can just do it, or you can just even pinch. Okay, for the forehead, the V's, melt, sweep, melt, sweep, melt, sweep, upward flicks, going to the mid-brow, focus over here. Back to the center, mid-brow, focus here. The connector, 1, 2, 3, 4, other side. And even here is fine, as long as you drain. Make the second one longer, middle of the brow, middle of the forehead, and up to the hairline. Do a gentle here rub. Drain if you have little cream left. And you can end with gentle pinches, inwards and downwards. You're not pulling your skin out. Very gentle pinches. Very gentle pinches. And you can take your pinches down to your neck. And we are done.